Okay friends, to get started on the blower motor, we're going to get underneath the passenger side kick panel. You're going to be able to see it right here. The first thing that I always like to do is to remove the wiring. There's a little tab right here. I'm just going to carefully press up on that and we can remove this. Inspect it, make sure you don't see any funny colors. If you do, it's corrosion and it needs to be dealt with. This one looks good, so I'll set it aside. Next, we're going to remove our 3 mounting bolts. There's one. There's the last one. Remove your blower motor. All right, now it's time to install our brand new blower motor. Let's go ahead and get it lined up. All right, that fits in perfect. Now we're gonna start in all 3 of our mounting bolts and then we'll snug them up. There's that one, let's do the same to the rest. Once you have them all snug, go ahead and plug it in. All right, now you just gotta test it. Okay, keys in the on position. Let's turn it on. I can hear it going a little bit. Perfect.